ambassador.
Yes.
How does it feel to be back in this very familiar space?
I waited 5 long years to get a call again, and it felt like the first time.
Okay.
So, the first time was when I was, huwag na natin bilangin, siguro 13 years ago. Oh no, maybe more because plus 5. So, okay, 18 years ago, I would
Okay.
say, oh my goodness, 18 years ago, they first tapped me. And, just because I said yes to being part doesn't mean you're on board agad.
Okay.
So it took about a year na siguro deliberation until they confirmed.
Right.
And tinesting nila ako. They brought me on my first mission trip. I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was Pikit, Cotabato. And paglanding namin, exciting na agad. I won't go into detail.
Challenging na kaagad.
Challenging na kaagad, talaga. But I think na-survive ko, and I really enjoyed seeing the kids, seeing the smiles on their faces, and how one bowl of mainit na, sa ano ba yon, parang mainit na meal,
Sabaw?
isang hot meal na masustansya,
Okay.
how that can make them smile, sobra.
All right.
So, doon, nahook na ako talaga.
For the viewers who are hearing this for the first time, ano ba exactly yung ginagawa ni Casey?
Nako, so ito na nga. So the World Food Program is not just a simple feeding program. I focus on school feeding, or ginagamit natin ang masustansyang pagkain para mapapunta ang mga bata sa eskwelahan at manatili sa eskwelahan hanggang makagraduate sila.
Okay.
So ang pagkain pala talaga ay sobrang importante na hindi siya dapat charity eh. Actually, karapatan ng bata yun.
Tama.
Na makakain ng masustansyan
sapat, ng
at
tama.
sapat, ng nutritious, di ba? Na healthy meal. Para nga naman makapag-isip, para nga naman makapag-memorize,
Right.
para nga naman makafocus kay teacher.
Right.
Para nga naman hindi na siya magstay sa bahay. Pag nakauwi, tatama rin ng bumalik para maengganyo siyang pumunta sa school.
Tama.
And magstay sa school. So, parang ang simple-simple niyang, pag naririnig mo, it sounds simple. Pero, guys, kumbaga sa artista, glam team, manager, abogado, accountant, it's a village. It takes a village. So, sa mga ganitong advocacy, ang daming involved.
Right.
At para magawa to ng hindi lang 2 weeks na feeding program, hindi na basta pinakain lang ng sandwich or tinapay na
Tapos na.
nakakabusog. Hindi ibig sabihin may nutrition, masustansya siya. Di ba, pwede kang maging busog pero you're still malnourished, di ba? So, ang tinatarget din is to fight not just hunger, but malnourishment.
Okay. And you go to many places as much as you can.
Yes, because hindi ako naniniwala na laway lang yung na pag-uusapan mo ang isang bagay na hindi mo naman talaga napuntahan or naiintindihan.
You have to immerse yourself, right?
Yes, so it's very important for me to when they do their yung activities, yung mga mission trip na tinatawag, nakasama talaga ako.
Kanina I was talking to Jen, your kasamahan niyo from your team. And yun nga, parang you waited so long, to be back here and sign again with WFP.
Okay.
And ang nasa isip ko kanina is, why is Casey's heart so much into this?
Oo
Okay,
nga.
so yun yung tanong ko kanina, that's in my head. And then, nakita ko na ikaw while you were seeing all the photos from the past. Tapos naging emotional ka na. So doon ko siya naintindihan na parang gusto talaga to ni Casey. She really wants to do this.
Yeah. Recently, meron kaming ginagawang palengke series sa YouTube channel ko. And bago pa namin nalaman na I'm back with UN World Food Program, inumpisa na namin yun.
Okay.
And I think isa siya sa mga bagay na na-enjoy ko, yung makasuporta ng tindero, ng tindera, na makita talaga yung mga yung galing sa Pilipinas, sa lupa ng Pilipinas, sa karagatan ng Pilipinas na yung mga tinitinda, yung produce, diba? And that's one of the things din na grateful ako dito sa World Food Program. Gusto nilang gamitin yung mga crops natin, yung mga gulay na Pilipino, yung mga pagkain Pilipino, para gawin yung feeding program. Kumbaga, hindi na yung mga galing
imports.
Imported, na, or kaya processed, di ba?
Okay.
Yung mga ganun na hindi naman talaga masustansya kung pang-araw-araw ng bata.
Right.
So...
To help the farmers as
Yes,
well.
it's not just kasi yung feeding Okay, malaking bagay sa akin yung mga bata, but it's so many other things.
Right.
Parang hindi lang siya food, ano rin siya, education. Advocacy niya is education din, tsaka yung welfare ng lalo ng
Right.
kabataan.
No, it's just amazing to hear that even after 18 years, andun pa rin yung passion mo. You're still excited.
Ay, nako. Well, my dad, si dad, he's been a senator for over 20 years. My lolo, tatay Pablo Cuneta of Pasay, was mayor for over 40 years. My mom has been where she is, for a very, very long time. So, if there's something my family members have taught me, it's commitment.
And binigyan ka pa niya ng protection.
Ni mami ko.
I know.
Actually, necklace to
Okay.
Pero, sinot ko lang siya I'll show you a better picture later. Pero,
Okay.
this was hers when she was 37 years old.
Okay.
So, 22 years ago yata. And she gave it to me last night. Sabi ko, Mom, tomorrow I'm going to be parang launched again as UN World Food Program Goodwill Ambassador, ganyan. Sabi ko, I just want you to know I'm so proud to be your daughter. I'm proud to be Sharon Cuneta's daughter. It's something that has really fueled me talaga. Ay, naiiyak ako ha! Mahal na mahal ko nanay ko Ito na naman. Yeah, totoo. Dami niyang naturo sa akin talaga. And lola ko. Sobra.
And one of them is staying committed. Find it. What you love.
Devoted and committed to the service sa Pilipino. Yun. As a Pinoy, parang na-appreciate ko na, kapwa Pinoy din ang tutulong. Pinoy din ang tutulong sa kapwa Pinoy.
Anong reply niya nung sinabi mong,
Ito
I
na
love
naman.
you, Ma?
World Food Program, ano
I know.
nangyari?
Oo.
Hindi, kasi this is so touching to me. The work that they do it changes lives, It's not just feeding for today, it's generations. Just like my family, it's generations of service.
Right.
So it's the same with World Food Program. They're not just looking at 2 weeks from now or 6 months from now. They finish the whole school year every year.
Wow. Actually, everyone in your family is on board.
Yeah.
Diba?
Yes.
Parang doing a lot of service for the Filipino. Like your dad, your sister, your lolo, you. Diba? Parang everyone
Yeah.
is on board. Tapos kahilera mo na pala, international ambassadors din is Kate Hudson, The Weeknd. How does it feel to be in that, league?
I'm really excited. In the last 13 years, I've been able to work with Michelle Yeoh. I've been able to meet former President Bill Clinton. I've been invited by Chelsea Clinton to certain fundraising events as a youth leader. And just so many amazing people that, that do similar things or maybe more. And it's just exciting
Right.
to also see what work they do and to get ideas
And be
also.
inspired by it, diba?
Yeah, and to see how food and food security and agriculture and malnutrition, they're not sexy causes, right? But they're probably, for me, food is the most important. Food security is the number one need. Because you can't do anything without food. When you're food first, food is life.
Right.
Diba? So, nagka-pandemic, you cannot fight sickness kung malnourished ka. Mahihirapan ka. You cannot learn, you cannot study, you cannot memorize or retain or understand anything if you're hungry. So, food is the number one. Sa lahat ng cost na nandyan, all important. But for me, number one is, food security talaga.
Last question. I know you're excited to go out there and start your tour. Tour talaga.
Our excursion.
Your
Palengke
immersions.
tour. Ay, di ba naman?
Your immersions with World Food Program.
Yes.
I'm just curious for your fans because they're excited to see you again on TV Patrol. I'm
Yes.
sure parang Baliw na naman ang mga Casey Narix.
Cookie Bird.
Mga cookie.
Global Kachucha.
There you go. May mga shout-outs na. What can we expect from Casey in terms of sa showbiz and in the entertainment industry?
Yeah, well, right now, my priority is World Food Program.
Okay.
And talagang nag-enjoy ako sa Palengke series ko.
Okay.
As in, talagang 4 episodes pa lang as of today, pero gustong-gusto pala siya ng tao. And na-enjoy ko talaga na they're so affected. Yung
Right.
talagang feeling nila kasama ko sila sa mga Palengke tour ko. And alam nyo naman na hindi talaga ako namamalengke dati. I mean, talagang curious ako kung ano ba yung nasa palengke, kung paano ba mamili ng isda,
Right.
kung paano ba tumawad, yung mga
right.
ganyan, di ba? Kung ano ba yung mga gulay-gulay dyan, ano ba
Alin
yung
ang sariwa, alin ang hindi.
ano ba yung isda sa Pilipinas, ano ba
Okay.
yung ulang, di ba?
Okay.
Ano ba yung mga... So, ano bang klaseng recipe ang pwedeng gawin, di ba? Sa halaan ba to? Or sa manok, di ba? Yung mga ganun. So, yung monggo, ang dali-dali lang pala. Parang intimidated akong lutuin, di ba? Pero yung palengke tour na yan talaga, natututo din ako sa mga tindera kung paano. So,
That's nice.
yun. I think, subscribe to my YouTube
Ayun na.
channel. At samahan niyo ako sa mga excursion at adventure ko sa
Your
palengke.
movie is showing up na kasi. Will be shown na here.
Ay, Film Fest.
Oo.
Film Fest. Yeah.
So,
Okay lang yan. One of my activities yun
I
sa
know,
States.
na nagawa mo doon, di ba?
Yes,
Parang,
yes.
Are you excited na mapapalabas na siya dito?
Excited ako to take on new projects.
Okay.
So, for now, we're focused on my digital, di ba? Like everyone else, I
Right.
guess. So, I'm leaving for Bangkok at the end of the week for Tiffany.
Right.
I have a hectic schedule right now, but mostly with my digital world.
Nice.
So, I'm back where I started.
Right.
I started as a blogger, apart from
I
a
know.
VJ host
Yes.
with music channels when I was younger and theater. I really started with the digital world as a blogger. Wala
Right.
pang monetization
Wala
nun.
pa.
Ang dami ko ng contribution noon nung nasa Paris ako. Wala pa. Hindi yun for money. Talagang
Right. It's just
hilig
for,
ko lang
ano
magkwento.
Yep. Message to all your fans.
Nako, kayo, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Thank you for being here. Sabi ko nga sa YouTube channel ko, maraming salamat sa pagka-game ninyo na sumama sa akin sa mga adventure ko and sa pagka-game ninyo na matuto sa akin sa lahat din ng natututunan ko living this silly life of mine. So, thank you also na alam ko, dahil mahal ko ang World Food Program, mamahalin niyo rin siya. And thank you for being there, not just for me, no, but for my whole family. Alam niyo na kung sino-sino kami. Maraming salamat po. Mahal na mahal ko po kayo.